Chowdhury, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. Today we presented a case here in the Ibn Sina University, which we used to do on every Thursday. So the trend was from the dentistry side, so I presented the case, and my case was an odontogenic infection in the pediatric patient. बच्चों में जो odontogenic infections होते हैं उनकी क्या importance है and how they spread from a minor cavity up to an extreme hospitalization criteria. So we discuss all the things that how a patient presents to us and how what are the signs and symptoms, how we treat them. We all discuss all these. If a patient comes to us with a minor cavity, we think it is just a cavity and we prescribe the antibiotic. The routine use of antibiotics which leads to the resistance in the patient and also leads to the overburdenized and also create an antibacterial bioma. So it is important to avoid the antibiotic in cases where it is not necessary. Whenever there is a cause, we should remove the cause first. For example, if the patient is having a cavity, just restore the cavity. If it is extending to the pulp, do the root canal treatment. If it is extending further, do incision and drainage. And along with the antibiotics if needed. It is not important to give antibiotic alone, but it is important to give antibiotic alone with the surgical treatment to enhance the resolution and the complete management of the patient.